Hello, my friend. I am happy you are here tonight. Thank you for listening. Life is not always easy. Life can feel heavy. Life can feel dark. But even in dark times, there are lights. These lights are small joys. They are simple. They are gentle. They are powerful. Tonight, we will talk about the power of small joys. We will learn how they heal the heart. We will practice noticing them. We will let them bring peace to our mind. Small joys are not big events. They are not expensive things. They are not loud. Small joys are simple moments. They are soft feelings. They are little gifts from life. A smile from a friend. The smell of warm bread. A song on the radio, the sound of rain, the color of the sky at sunset. These are small joys. They do not change the whole world, but they change your world. They change your heart. Sometimes we wait for big happiness. We think, I will be happy when I get rich. I will be happy when I move to a new place. I will be happy when life is perfect. But happiness does not only live in big moments. Happiness also lives in small joys. When you notice small joys, your heart feels light. Your mind feels calm. Your life feels softer. Small joys are like drops of water. One drop is small, but many drops fill the glass. Many drops give you enough. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. When you breathe in, imagine you are breathing in joy. When you breathe out, imagine you are breathing out sadness. Breathe in light. Breathe out heavy feelings. Breathe in peace. Breathe out stress. Every breath is a small joy. Every breath is a gift. Once there was a child who walked on a busy street. Cars moved fast. People shouted. The air was loud. The child felt small. The child felt lost. Then the child saw a little flower growing between the stones. It was yellow. It was bright. It was simple. The child stopped. The child looked at the flower, and suddenly the noise was not so big. Suddenly the world felt softer. The child smiled. The flower was a small joy. The flower gave the child peace. Think of your day. Think of one small thing that was good. Maybe you drank warm tea. Maybe you saw the sun. Maybe you heard a laugh. Maybe you felt the wind. Close your eyes. Remember that moment. Feel it again. This is a small joy. This is healing. The secret is not in the world. The secret is in your eyes. When you look with care, you see joy. When you look with love, you find light. Joy is always here. Joy is waiting. Joy is quiet. You only need to notice. You only need to pay attention. There was once an old man. He lived in a small house. He had little money. He lived alone. Every morning he made tea. He poured the hot water. He smelled the soft leaves. He drank slowly. When people asked, "Are you sad? You are alone." He smiled and said, "No, I have my tea. This cup is my joy. This moment is my peace." He knew the power of small joys. They made his life full. Repeat these words softly. Small joys are enough. I can find joy in simple things. Every day brings me light. I do not need big things to be happy. Small joys heal my heart. Small joys make me strong. Let these words sit in your heart. Let them become your truth. Close your eyes. Imagine you carry a basket. Every day you put one small joy inside. A kind word, a soft breeze, a beautiful color, a gentle song. At the end of the week, your basket is full. It is full of small joys. It is full of light. It is full of love. You see now your life is rich. You see now your heart is not empty. You see now you have enough. Small joys do not take away pain, but they give you strength. They give you hope. They give you balance. When life feels heavy, look for one joy. When your heart feels broken, look for one joy. When your mind feels tired, look for one joy. That one joy can change the day. That one joy can open the door. That one joy can give you light. One night, a traveler walked in the desert. The sand was cold. The road was long. The traveler was tired. But when he looked up, he saw the sky full of stars. The stars were bright. The stars were many. The stars were free. The traveler smiled. The stars gave him strength. The stars gave him hope. The stars were small joys, but they made a big difference. See yourself standing in a garden. The air is soft. The moon is shining. There are flowers, colors, and peace. You touch a flower. You smile. This is a small joy. You hear water. You listen. This is a small joy. You breathe in fresh air. You breathe out slowly. This is a small joy. Your heart is light. Your mind is soft. Your body is calm. You are safe. You are free. You are full of joy. My friend, remember this. You do not need to wait for big happiness. You do not need to wait for perfect life. Small joys are here. Small joys are enough. Small joys heal you. Look for them. Notice them. Keep them. Let your basket be full. Let your heart be soft. Let your mind be peaceful. Good night. Sleep well. And tomorrow may you see many small joys.